Here in this movie, we are going to add a little more and even add graphics to our text right here. So switching to my previous work, this particular slide needs to contain "Let Us Go" graphical. And the font size for this "Let Us Go" is 48, and then the graphical is 100. Okay, so let me go back here, then switch to my work, and let me type here "Let Us Go," and here graphical. I'm typing in capital letters. Okay, I need to position my mouse pointer on this line right here, or better still, click on this and then position the mouse pointer on this line for "Let Us Go." That is the placeholder for "Let Us Go." Drag it up, and as you drag, you notice you have this guide showing you the left and then the right and even the center positioning. "Let Us Go," I think I want it to be there. Then let me click outside, then come and click here again. Graphical is now selected. Click hold and drag with the shift key down, and here I want to change the font size to 100 by going to the font group here in then change the font size from this to 100, but there is no 100 here, so I have to type myself 100, then press enter key from the keyboard. I'm going to hold it and drag it a bit until I get here. Then this I'm going to click and then drag to select it, then change the font size to 48. And as you may recall, from here this mini toolbar helps to quickly use some of the commands here in the software, like to change the font color to white, and here too I'm going to change this font color by clicking on the line. Click on this line, then change the font color to white again by coming down here and then clicking on this, and I'm good to go. So that is all about Let's Go graphical. If we move to the final work here by coming down to the taskbar, then move to the final work. Next, the slide 5 contains keyboard and then about this device right here. For this we are going to copy it, but for this we are going to bring it in. Alright, we are going to add another slide and then we perform some copy and paste and some other functions right here. So let me go back to my work, and before I even go back, let me come down here and click right here keyboard. Then because I want to copy but you have to draw, so I want to change slide 5 right here. Let me go back to my work. Let's go graphical, click right here, and then we are going to add one slide. So we go to the slides group, click on the drop pointing arrow, and this time we want to add this something like title and content. Okay, but I'm not going to go that way. I will still choose blank and I'll draw things myself. So going back, we have the drawing here, and you can also access this same drawing right under the insert tab, the illustrations group, and here I have shapes. The same thing is here, so I think our Microsoft team decided to put it there for quick access. Okay, even though that is not quick access toolbar. Click on the text box here and then drag. So as you drag, you're going to see this, and I'm going to type keyboard. So keyboard. I made a mistake in my typing, but no problem with that. I'll later correct it. I need to change the font color for this to white, and then I also need to change the font size from 18 point to 60 point, and also I need to go to change case and then change the case to capitalize each word, or even sentence case. Okay, it's going to do. The reason why I wanted to choose capitalize each word is I know I only have one word. Okay, but then the right thing to do is to use sentence case. Now I have this right here. Next, when you take a closer look at our working, we have the keyboard here, and we are going to insert the keyboard. Okay, so let me switch back to my work in progress and make my way to the insert tab. So whenever you want to insert a picture, you go to the insert tab and choose this pictures in the images group. Okay, then click on pictures and make your way to the desktop and then select text and picture treatment. Double click to select stuff and choose this keyboard right here. By selecting it, then come down to insert. This is going to insert the keyboard right here for you. If you should pay attention to your tabs, a new tab has been added called Picture Tools Format. This is where we are going to manage our work. But for now, let's just trim the picture, then we are good to. Let's just crop the picture. To crop a picture, you go to the size group. But then cropping a picture means removing unwanted areas, that is taking away unwanted pixels from the image. And right here, we have been seeing this thing, this rotate arrow, for quite a long time, but then we don't even know what it means. Now put your mouse pointer on it, then you're going to get that black rotation cursor. Click, hold and drag. As you drag, you're going to see your object being rotated on screen. But then if you want it to snap at every 15 degrees, then you have to hold down the shift key as you drag, and at every 15 degrees it's going to snap down there for you. Okay, so that is the function of that. If you're okay, release the mouse button, then release the shift key. Don't release the shift key first, as that would not snap for you. Then go to the crop group right here in the size, and then notice you now have some black crop tools out here. Use the middle one here and then drag it till you get here, and then use the down middle, drag it up till you get somewhere here. And once you're okay, double click inside or even click outside and you are good to go. This time drag this and then drop it this way. Make sure it snaps to the line here and you are good to go. Next thing is, let me go to my work, and here I want to copy this and paste. Okay, so I'm going to click on the line and then right click here and then choose copy and switch to my work right here, and then I'm going to paste it right here. And your assignment is, you should be able to draw a text box and then get something like this. Once you are able to type the first line, click right here after the first line, then go to the paragraph group, click on line spacing and choose 2.0 for the first one. Then the second, or these ones out here, please, they all go with 1.0 out here. And when you get here, I actually use this as a paragraph. So this is my first paragraph, second paragraph, and then third paragraph. So after typing, click here, add 2.0, click here to add 2.0, and then the end of the third paragraph. I don't think we need anything down there. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do by adding another slide right here. So we are done with this apparently. Let me go to the insert tab, go to the slide, and then choose this blank. And here, if I should go back to my work, I have this mouse here. So the same thing we are going to do. Okay, so let me switch to my work right here, and then come here to keyboard. Then I'm going to right click on keyboard, or better still, right click on the line, because when you click on the line first and right click on it, it's going to produce a better result out here. So from this list out here, click on copy, then coming here to the slide C, right click and then choose paste. Here we have two levels, so you're going to paste this as a picture, or you paste it right here, destination theme. I want to use the destination theme. Then I also want to edit this. Okay, and what I need to do is to introduce you to one useful feature right here inside the software called the find and replace. So you're going to go to the home tab here, then make your way to the last group of the ribbon called editing. Select replace from this list. When you select replace, it's going to come out with this replace dialog box. And what I need to do is this: I want to find let keyboard, then replace it with mouse right here. And once I am done, I will click on find next, then I'll click on replace. And the problem is it's going to look for all the mouse and replace it with keyboard, but clicking on replace will replace it one after the other. In my case, I don't want to replace this. I only want to replace the 6th slide out here, but you notice that it has switched me to the 3rd slide automatically. So don't click on replace all, as that will replace everything in your presentation. Just click on replace and it will find keyboard in this stage, then replace it with mouse. Okay, click on close and then come here. We have our mouse here. Then coming down here, I have about my keyboard, and then coming here I need to have my mouse, and then about the mouse. And we need to go and then bring in the key, the mouse. Okay, so by going to the insert tab, click on picture again, then this time click on this mouse and click on insert. I need to scale mouse down because it looks too big. Mouse is small and so it must be on screen. So let me click here, and then notice I have these corner handles right here called nodes. Now please, when you drag a picture from the center, it's not going to constrain the angle of your drag. So whenever you are dealing with still photographs in your work, please desist from using 1, 2, 3, 4 areas, okay, as you may want to constrain the angle of your drag. Both the height and then the width should go proportional by using one of the corner handles. So let me click here, the upper right corner, and then drag it down till I get to something like this. And also let me move it till it snaps. Okay, I want it to snap to this out here. And once I am done with this, I'm going to crop it. As you may recall, you go to the size group, and in case the size is not active for you, then please make sure you click on the picture once, and then the format would activate. And then click on the format, then make your way to the crop, and this black crop tools are in here. Click hold and drag here, and then click hold and drag this region as well with that black. Okay, don't drag from the node, but rather this black. Okay, once you are done, click outside, you are good to go. And then let's go to our final work out here, and then copy this. I'm going to copy, I don't want to type again, so I'm going to copy, and then right click on the line, click on copy, then move to my work in progress, and then click on paste right here. You right click on paste, and that is how you crop an image right here inside the software. From the very next movie, we are going to add the 7th slide.